We're going to turn next tonight to the sudden change of course for SeaWorld. Bowing to pressure, they have announced they are now ending their popular killer whale performances.
Ever considered the possibility of releasing captive animals without sacrificing their welfare? What if the way we treat and interact with animals may be completely transformed by artificial intelligence? Envision an environment where artificial intelligence-driven virtual ecosystems take the place of zoo and aquarium limits. Let's explore how AI has the revolutionary potential to change how we engage with and protect wildlife. What specific steps may artificial intelligence take to end animal captivity as we know it? People have been wondering about the richness and beauty of animal life for millennia. However, we frequently fail in our efforts to conserve and exhibit animals to the public, forcing many animals into captivity. However, what if this paradigm could be completely changed? Here comes artificial intelligence, a tool that has the potential to change how humans interact with wildlife. AI has a plethora of applications for animal welfare and conservation. The development of virtual environments is one of its most exciting uses. We can very accurately recreate the natural habitats of many different species by utilizing AI-driven simulations. These virtual environments give animals stimulation and enrichment, encouraging their natural activities and lowering the stress brought on by confinement. With the use of artificial intelligence, we can bring animals to habitats that are ideal for their needs, be it vast oceans or lush jungles. Have you recently heard about the AI dolphin made by Edge Innovations? The main thing is that nobody could understand that the dolphin was an AI. The model looked so real. A robotic dolphin created by the animatronics experts behind the Hollywood hit film Free Willy in the 1990s may contribute to the permanent abolition of marine park confinement. The amusing mechanical mammal created by Edge Innovations is capable of nodding, swimming in aquariums, and withstanding intimate human contact. Its creators claim that it is nearly a perfect replica of a living animal. Apart from its automated wiring, this dolphin might provide marine parks with a cruelty-free substitute for housing live animals, potentially upending a sector that is frequently demonized. A New Zealand-based business called Edge Innovations is working with American inventors to create robotic dolphins that closely resemble the genuine thing. The innovation provides ethical security since it can answer questions, swim for hours on end, and interact closely with humans, things that would normally be damaging to real dolphins. Skeptics may find the remote-controlled robotic dolphins uninviting. Animators offer a viable substitute. Nevertheless, as marine parks all over the world are under pressure to do away with the immoral practice of showcasing live whales and dolphins. According to the team, the prototype is indistinguishable from the genuine thing and weighs over 270 kilograms. It had not occurred to a test audience to surmise that the dolphin was fake. What do you think about this innovation? The marine park industry has had falling revenues for over a decade due to ethical concerns and the cost of live animals, yet the public's hunger to learn about and experience these animals is still as strong as ever, says Roger Holzberg, the inventor of the life-size robot bottlenose dolphins. To create the animals, Holzberg is now collaborating with Walt Conte, the director of some of the most well-known sea monster feature films in history, such as Deep Blue Sea and Free Willy. Holzberg continued, "We think it's time to rethink this industry and that this approach can be more profitable and humane at the same time." The largest obstacle is convincing investors that the robotic marine animals will ultimately be less expensive than their actual counterparts, as each one costs about $40 million. Although they would cost 4 times as much as genuine dolphins, according to Edge Innovations business development Li Wang, they would last longer. He says we have to convince them that it is a profitable business, even more profitable than live animals, noting that the robots don't need as much costly upkeep as actual dolphins do. In captivity, bottlenose dolphins typically live less than 20 years, while in the wild, they can live up to 50 years. This illustrates how marine parks drastically shorten dolphin lifespans, as well as the potential profitability of robotic dolphins, given that animatronics will survive longer than 20 years. Animal rights activists applauded the action. The People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals Alyssa Allen expressed her hope that robotic animals will replace real ones in marine parks worldwide. Dolphins live in close-knit family groupings and can swim over 60 kilometers a day in their natural surroundings. They must amuse strangers while kept in captivity and are kept in concrete pools with chemically treated water. Modern technology, according to Allen, allows us to experience nature without harming it in 2020, in today's world. When it comes to entertainment and ways to hold audiences' attention, we have an abundance of options, so hurting helpless creatures are no longer considered necessary, as they once was in the days before modern resources. An answer like this ought to inspire others to think similarly and to be just as creative in providing goods and services that can take the place of outmoded, immoral ones. Do you think AI animal innovation will impact the future? AI animal innovation is expected to have a profoundly transformational effect on society in a number of ways. First off, AI-powered technologies have never before been possible to monitor and safeguard endangered species in the field of conservation, greatly assisting in the preservation of biodiversity. Artificial intelligence can analyze large data sets and detect patterns and trends that support better conservation methods, such as habitat restoration and anti-poaching initiatives. Furthermore, AI-powered developments in animal welfare have the potential to completely transform our interactions with caged animals. AI simulations can be used to construct virtual habitats that are richer than natural settings, meeting behavioral needs and promoting the well-being of animals while reducing the negative effects of traditional captivity. This improves the quality of life for animals kept in captivity, while simultaneously providing tourists with engaging and instructive experiences. AI advancements also have the power to fundamentally alter our knowledge of animal cognition and communication, providing new perspectives on the intricate social structures and behaviors of animals. In the end, the future formed by AI animal innovation presents a picture of cohabitation in which technology is used to foster knowledge, empathy, and sustainable care of the various ecosystems that make up our globe. On the other hand, there will be a lack of realistic visualization of the animal to the children. Don't you think so? Children will still encounter realistic animals, even if AI animals are created. Indeed, artificial intelligence animals can enhance in-person interactions by offering more immersive and informative experiences. Children should still have direct experiences with real animals in zoos, aquariums, wildlife reserves, and natural habitats, even though AI simulations and virtual habitats can provide insights into animal behavior and conservation in a controlled environment. And that's all about it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you like more AI updates, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to not miss out on any video and to get notifications on time. Don't hesitate to give suggestions for our videos. See you in the next one.